I just finished assembling this 35-inch fire pit, and I say fire pit, it's much more than that. It actually is a 3-in-1 in my opinion, because so number one, you can actually use it as a table, so an outdoor table, steel, really nice, really gorgeous. I love the fact that it's got that lip around it, and it's very, very sturdy, but we'll get to that. Number two, yes, of course, you can have it as a fire pit. So fire pit, long-lasting burns, really, really nice. If you look right here, you've got that grill, kind of that star pattern where you're gonna be able to see that, that beautiful amber color of the fire coming right through. And number three, this is also a grill. So you can actually put food right on this, or as I will be using it with this grill that you attach just like that with that nice handle. So you can do right there on the grill, direct fire. You can move it around, which is really nice for serving, but also if you want to, stop the cooking or just rest the meat, whatever you're cooking. It's super, super cool. It took me about 45 minutes to assemble. I will have to be honest, the base was the longest to assemble, but it's a good thing because you want that base to be as sturdy as possible. So that ring around there makes this whole thing really, really kind of like stick together. I only used a screwdriver that did not provide. They did provide a little wrench. I used my own wrench for that. There's a couple more pieces left, so that's always a plus to know that, there's a couple bolts and washers that are left in there. But in whole, the whole thing was so easy to assemble. This comes off just like that, and then when you're done and ready for the next time, you just cover it, and it looks amazing. All year round, you can have some beautiful fires, but beautiful barbecues outside with your family. This is a really cool 35-inch fire pit.